In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize business tasks and boost efficiency with ClickUp. For those looking to get the most out of their productivity tools, ClickUp offers a robust platform designed to streamline your workflow. By setting up templates in ClickUp, you can save time and ensure that your business processes are organized and efficient. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to your spaces within ClickUp. Spaces are essentially the main sections where your projects and tasks reside. Think of them as customizable workspaces where you can manage your tasks, projects, and documents. Once you're in your desired space, select a list. Lists in ClickUp allow you to organize tasks within a space systematically, so having the right list ready is your first step to streamlining your task management. Now, look for the plus sign within your interface. Clicking it is your gateway to adding new elements to your list. Here, you have the option to start from scratch, or use templates that can help save time and maintain consistency in task creation and management. After clicking the plus sign, go ahead and click on Templates. Templates are pre-made task formats that encapsulate best practices for task organization and efficiency. This approach allows you to standardize how tasks are initiated and processed, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Next, click on Highlight. This feature in ClickUp allows you to spotlight certain templates, making it easier to find those that are most relevant to your current needs. Highlighting is especially useful when you're managing multiple tasks across various projects. Now, type in the word business into the search bar. This will filter the templates, bringing up those specifically tailored for business operations. In doing so, you ensure that the templates you choose will be designed to tackle business-specific tasks efficiently. Once you find the template that suits your needs, click on the template to learn more about it. This step is crucial as it allows you to review the template's details and make sure it aligns with your business objectives. When you're satisfied with the template's design and structure, click on Use Template. At this point, ClickUp will prompt you to choose a location within your space. Be thoughtful about this decision as it determines where your new tasks will reside. Finally, click Use Template again to confirm. Doing so will apply the selected template to your chosen location, setting you up for organized, efficient task management. With these steps, you can harness the full potential of ClickUp to organize business tasks efficiently, providing you with more time to focus on what really matters. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only organized your business tasks, but have also boosted your efficiency with the powerful ClickUp platform. I hope this tutorial helps to enhance your organizational skills and productivity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.